I'm going to tell everybody how you went pee-pee on Corbin's floor and now it's stinky.
Hey guys, Lucy here. Today I'm going to review the Resolve Easy Clean tool and the Resolve Pet Expert formula. What I want to see is if this works to clean your floor and if it will get those pet odors out. The first thing we need to talk about is assembly though. It comes in this nifty little box here. It's not too difficult to assemble. It comes with a can of Resolve, but we're actually going to go ahead and use the Resolve that's specifically formulated for pet odor. It's got these nifty poles, a scrubber, and a handle with a trigger on it. So let's get this opened up. It's got 4 poles that fit into each other. It's got the scrubber on the end and the handle. So you just put those poles together. The handle on it. Put the scrubber end on it. Then with the can, you actually want to take the top of it off. You put it in there and rotate it clockwise until it clicks in there. Then you pull the trigger, it should work. You just pull the trigger and scrub. So we want to scrub over where the dog urinated, but we also want to get the rest of the carpet as well. And sometimes there's some excess on it, and I had to flip it over and then keep scrubbing the floor. It made it much easier to shampoo. Then it's done. We're just gonna leave that for a little while, about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and vacuum. And we are gonna vacuum the floor. And there it is. That's the finished product. It looks really clean. There's no spots or stains or anything like that. And I think it looks really good. So you can get this from Walmart for $17.97, and then the extra can was $4.28. I also have this natural pouch. When you put it in the sunlight, it recharges it, but it basically takes odors out of the air and cleans out the bacteria. If you feel like this video brought you value, please like and subscribe to my channel.